Hi guys, today we are going to see how to increase the maximum upload size of a file in WordPress website. Let's say you have a website and you want to upload a large size file on your website. By default, WordPress don't allow to upload a file which size is more than 50 megabytes. So after watching this video, you will be able to upload files which are more than 500 megabytes. So I am Asad from WTeach and I will show you how to do that step by step. Keep watching. Welcome back. Now get into your WordPress dashboard by typing domain name /login. Now put the username and password, then hit the login button. Now go to media and add new. Here you can see that the maximum upload file size is 40 megabytes, which means we cannot upload files which are more than 40 megabytes. Let's try uploading a file which size is more than 40 megabytes. If you click on the file, then you can see the file size. Now if you drag the file and drop it here, then you can see that the file is not uploaded. So now let's see how to increase the maximum upload file size on our website. There are two steps to increase maximum upload size. The first one is to install a plugin named Tuxedo. To do that, just go to plugins and add new. Now here search for Tuxedo. So this is the plugin which helps us to increase maximum upload file size. Once you find that, then just click on install and then click on activate. Once it is activated, then we can go to step 2. The second step is increase the maximum upload size. To do that, let's go to settings and big file uploads. Then it will take you to this area. Just increase the maximum upload size as you want and then click on save. Now let's go to media and add new. Then you can see the changes. Now let's try uploading a large file again. As you can see, the file is uploading. Now it's uploaded successfully. So this is how you can increase the maximum upload size in WordPress. If you are new here, then hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials like this. Thanks for being with us.